How is your brain, an organ weighing just about 3 tons, capable of performing complex tasks like reading, writing, and even dreaming? Today we discover the fascinating world of neurons, also known as nerve cells, to uncover the secrets behind the incredible functioning of the human brain. Neurons serve as the fundamental units of the nervous system, with estimates suggesting that the human brain consists of nearly 100 billion of them. It's a number so large that it's hard to wrap our heads around. But what exactly are these neurons, and how do they work? In the simplest terms, neurons are tiny, specialized cells designed to transmit information throughout the body. They are like the electrical wiring of your body, carrying messages from your brain to different parts of your body and vice versa. Each neuron is made up of 3 main parts: the cell body, dendrites, and axons. Imagine a tree. The cell body would be the trunk, the dendrites are the branches, and the axons the roots. The dendrites receive messages from other neurons and pass them on to the cell body. The cell body then decides whether to send the message forward. If the answer is yes, the message travels down the axon to be sent to the next neuron. The amazing thing about these neurons is that they don't physically touch each other. There is a tiny gap called a synapse between each one. When the message reaches the end of one neuron, it has to jump across this synapse to the next neuron. And this happens in a fraction of a second. Let's pause for a moment and appreciate the complexity of this system. Each neuron can connect to thousands of other neurons, creating a network of connections that is mind-bogglingly intricate. This network is what enables us to think, feel, move, and even dream. So what have we learned today? We've discovered that neurons are the fundamental units of the nervous system, with each one consisting of a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. We've learned that these neurons communicate with each other through a process called synaptic transmission, where messages jump across tiny gaps called synapses. And finally, we've realized that these billions of interconnected neurons enable all the incredible things our brains and bodies can do. In the grand scheme of things, we are just beginning to understand the complexities of the human brain and the neurons that make it up. But one thing is for certain: these tiny cells are the unsung heroes behind every thought, every movement, and every dream. So, the next time you solve a complex problem or enjoy a beautiful piece of music, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of neurons that made it possible.